Good afternoon, children. Now start with the fourth exercise concept. Transformation formula. Again, you know the formula. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus this part, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then adding both, we get the two sin A cos B. Subtract both, 2 cos A sin B. Cos A plus what formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. ये formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Automatically plus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B cancel. We get the answer 2 cos A cos B. Similarly, a minus B minus 2 sin A cos sin B will come. But this is not the formula derived from the previous formula, not new formula. The standard formula is somebody will know sin A plus B, cos A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus B. This is standard formula. From this formula, adding both we get this one, subtracting both we get this one. In this way, there is a formula. This is also sin A plus B, sin A minus formula. Sin squared A minus sin squared B. Cos A plus B, cos A minus B, cos squared A minus sin squared B. The same thing, transform a sum or difference into product. The same formula, instead of here, A plus B, C, A minus D. We get the answer 2 into sin of C plus B to cos of C minus B. Same formula. Sin C minus sin D 2 times. First always C plus D by 2. Next time always C minus D by 2. This way you want to write. By using this idea, exercise 4.3, we express each of the following as the sum or difference. Sum or difference given mean, sum or difference is given mean, you write in terms of product. Now, in product form is given, you write the answer in sum or difference. Now, it is on the form sin A sin B. Where is sin A sin B? There is sin A sin B. But here the formula only for minus 2 sin A sin B. Suppose 2 sin A sin B means the minus comes this mean here minus here plus. Minus first will come, second plus will come. In this way. Alright? Here what is it? Sin A sin is there, but minus is the same. That's why we know the formula. Listen here. We know the formula minus 2 sin A sin B equal to what is the formula? Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This is the formula. Now divide by minus 2. For sin A sin B equal to 1 by 2 cross multiply. The minus multiply here, automatically this sum first will come. Here second will come. Now right answer, this is the formula. Means of sin A by A is sin 3A by A equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A by A minus 3A by A minus cos A by A plus 3A by A. Am I correct? Now subtract both, add both, that is the answer. Am I correct? Which is equal to 1 by 2 cos of A is LCM A minus 2 is 3A. That is minus 2A. Am I correct? Minus cos of adding both 4A by A. Now okay, 1 by 2 is cancel 4. Cos of minus and only cos. So A by 4. A minus cos, what is the answer? A by 2. Am I right? This is the answer. Here, in terms of product is given, you write the answer in terms of difference of the two angles. Difference of the two cosine. That is the answer. In this way, you write the answer. Anyway, you must have all the formula clearly. Then only we get the answer correctly. First follow the formula. This exercise fully formula only. First follow that. Anyway, these are all the formula derived from previous formula. That's very important. Now listen here. Second subdivision. cos 60 plus a into sin 190 120 plus a. It is of the form cos a sin b. What is formula? 2 cos a sin b. Formula for this one is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. But we need only cos a sin b only is there. That's why 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Am I right? Now write the question. Cos of 60 plus a sin of 120 plus a 1 by 2 into replace a by 60 plus a 60 plus a b is 120 plus a plus sin of 60 plus a plus 120 plus a. Am I right? Minus 60 plus a minus 120 plus a. Now simplify 1 by 2 into sin of 60 plus a 120 plus a. Here minus sin of 60 plus a minus 120 minus a. Am I right? This will cancel. Am I right? Now 1 by 2 into sin of 180 plus 2a. Here minus sin minus 60. Am I right? Sin 180 plus 2a. What is the answer? Already told you 180 is unchanged. Am I right? 180 is unchanged. About sin 2a. Sin 2a will come after 180 plus a, s, t, c. This 180, no? 180 plus third quadrant, sin only, tan only positive, sin negative will come. Minus sin of minus 60 plus sin 60 because sin of minus 60 minus will take outside because sin is odd function. If it is cos mean even function, negative will not come. You already minus there, that's why plus. Now put the value for this one. This I have put 3 meters. Minus sin b. That's all. This is the answer. Similarly, the same method, same formula, same method. Cross multiply. Cos a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b sin of a minus b. Now write the question. Cos of 7a by 3 sin of pi a by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into sin of 7a by 3 plus pi a by 3 minus 7a by 3 minus pi a by 3. Now 1 by 2 into sin of 12a by 3 minus sin of 2a by 3. Now cancel 4a. 1 by 2 into sin 4a minus sin 2a by 3. That's all. Only by using the formula we get the answer. You must follow the formula clearly. One more problem is there. Now third subdivision, cos 7 theta sin theta, cos sin inverse. That is the formula. Cross multiply. Now write the question. This is the formula actually. Cos 7 theta sin 3 theta. Am I right? Equal 1 by 2 into sin 7 theta plus 3 theta minus 7 theta minus 3 theta. 1 by 2 sin 10 theta minus sin 4 theta. That is the answer. Am I right? By using the formula, we get 2 more 3 more concept. You must follow the formula and write the answer. That's all. Now listen here. Express each of the following as the product of sine or cosine. Here plus is there, sum or difference is there. You write in terms of product. Plus sine c plus sine d means what? 2 times sine of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d is a formula. write the cosine. Therefore, sin A plus sin 2A equal to 2 times sin A, add equal A plus 3A, 2A by 2 into cos of A minus 2A by 2. Am I correct? 2 times sin of 3A by 2 cos of minus A by 2. Already told you sin of 3A by 2 no change at all. Cos of negative angle is even function only A by 2. Negative not this answer. That's all. Similarly, the question is what? Cos 3A plus cos 4A. It is of the form cos C plus cos C. What is what? 2 times cos of C plus C by 2 into 2 times cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus T by 2 the formula. Now write the answer question 2C plus cos 4A. 2A plus cos 4A equal to 2 times cos of 2A plus 4A by 2 into cos of 2A minus 4A by 2. Now 2 times cos of 6A by 2 cos of minus 2A by 2 to cancel it takes 2 times cos 3A already cos of negative not come only cos A is the answer. Am I right? Anyway, by using the formula you will get the answer. Cos of negative angle is negative not come, that is because of even function. Cos of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, but cos of minus cos theta equal to what? Only cos theta. This is the idea. Next question. Next question. Sin 6 theta divided minus sin 2 theta. It is of the form sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. We know that this is the formula. Sin C minus sin D is 2 times cos of C plus D by 2 sin of C minus D by 2 the formula. Now write the question. Sin 6 theta 2 theta 2 times cos of 6 theta plus 2 theta by 2 into sin of 6 theta minus 2 theta by 2. Now 2 times cos of 8 theta by 2 sin 4 theta by 2 divided by 2 cos 4 theta sin 2 theta divided by 2. That's all. Now here these are all cos C minus cos D. We know that cos C minus cos D equal to formula is minus 2 into sin of C plus C by 2 sin of C minus D by 2 is the formula. Now write the question. Cos of 2 theta minus cos theta equal to minus 2 into sin of 2 theta plus theta by 2 into sin of 2 theta minus theta by 2. Now simplify. Minus 2 sin of 3 theta by 2. Here sin of theta by 2. That's all. By using the formula, we get the answer. Anyway, you must follow all the formula. Question number 3, solution 1. Prove that cos 20 plus cos 40, cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 8 is equal to 8. Now start with the letters. Cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. Now the cos 20 is fixed here. Instead of cos 40, you write 60 minus 20. Cos 60 plus 20. Am I right? Am I right? These are the formula. Cos A plus B, cos A minus B. The formula for this one is cos A minus B into cos A plus B, or cos A plus B into cos A minus B. cos square 60 minus sin square 20 is the formula. Formula is what? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B is the formula. Now cos 20 here, cos 6 is what? 1 by 2 whole square minus outside by cos is there, that's why the sin square came as 1 minus cos square 20. Am I right? Cos 20 into here 1 by 4 minus 1 plus cos square 20. Am I right? Now 4 is LCM. 4 is LCM. 4 is LCM. 1 minus 4 plus 4 cos square 20. Am I right? The 4 is outside. 1 by 4 into cos 20. Now 4 cos square 20 here minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Again 1 by 4 into 4 multiply the cos 20. 4 into cos cube 20 minus 3 cos 20. Am I right? Now in this of the form, what is the form? Cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a is the formula. Am I right? In this of the form, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This two terms come together, cos 3a. Already 1 by 4 is there. Here cos 3a is what? 20. 1 by 4 cos 60. Cos 6 is what? 1 by 2. That is answer. LS is first. Here by using form, you want to split the 40 given 60 minus 20, 80 given 60 plus 20. It is of the form, this formula. Applying LCM and value. Once again, we use the cos 3 formula, we get answer. This type of problem may be 5 hours. Mind it. The same type of problem in exam problems is there. Same question, cos 20, cos 40, cos 60 and cos 80 will come. Extra. 4 terms are there. But anyway, the same method only. The second solution, start with the letters. Tan 20, tan 40, tan 80. This can be as sin 20 by cos 20, sin 40 by cos 40, sin 80 whole divided by tan is sin by cos 20. Tan 40 is sin 40 by cos 40. Here sin 80 by cos 80. Am I right? Now this can be a previous idea. 40 can be 60 minus 20. 80 can be 60 plus 20. Am I right? In this way, we have the same thing. Cos 20, cos 60 minus 20, cos 60 plus 20. Am I right? Now, it is of the form sin a minus b, sin a by b. The formula of this one is sin squared 60, sin squared 20. Actually, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. What is the formula? Sin squared a minus sin squared b. But cos a plus b into cos a minus b means cos squared a minus sin squared. This is the formula. Here, cos squared 60 minus sin squared 20 is the formula. Means the formula is therefore, what is the formula? Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Formula for this one is sin squared a minus sin squared b. Next formula, cos a plus b into cos a minus b equal to cos squared a minus sin squared b. Is the formula. Am I right? Now, the previous idea. Here, where value for this one is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 20. Here, cos 20 into 1 by 2 whole square minus So sin square taken as outside by cos is there. That's why 1 minus cos square 20. Am I correct? Once again, sin 20 into 3 by 4 minus sin square 20. Am I right? Here, cos 20 into here 1 by 4 minus 1 plus cos square 20. But in numerator taking 4 as LCM, denominator 4 as LCM. Sin 20 into 4 is LCM. Your answer is what? 3 minus 4 sin square 20. Sin square 20. Am I right? The 4 divided by here cos 20 whole divided by 4. Then LCM now 1 minus 4 plus 4 cos square 20. 4 cancel. In numerator multiply sin 20, 3 sin 20 minus 4 sin cube 20 divided by here 4 cos square is there. Multiply cos 4 cos cube 20 minus, because 1 minus 4 minus 3 into cos 20. Now in this of the form sin 3a is the formula. Here cos 3a is the formula. In therefore, write the formula. Sin 3a, what's the formula? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 sin a. Instead of this one, sin 3a, 320. Instead of this one is cos 3. For sin 60 divided by cos 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Only root 3. That is answer. This is also final question. Numerator and denominator we use the previous idea. That's why we brought a final question. Now example 4.15, the previous model. In 3 mark or 5 mark we brought a question. That's why the same method. LHS not with LHS. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. Now sin 20 is there. The sin 40 can be written as 60 minus 20. 80 can be 60 plus 20. Now in this of the form, sin a minus b into sin a plus b, or sin a plus b is sin a. What's the formula? Sin square a minus sin square b. What's the formula? Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Formula for this one is sin square a minus sin square b is the formula. Now put the value for sin 60. 2 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 20. Am I right? Then square 3 by 4 minus sin square 20. Now taking 4 as LCM, 3 minus 4 into sin square 20. Now 1 by 4 is common. Now multiply sin 20. 3 into sin 20. 3 sin 20 minus 4 into, and the sin square is there. Sin 20 into sin square 20, sin cube 20. Now it is of the form sin 3 form. Alright? 1 by 4 into sin 3 into 20. 1 by 4 into sin 60. 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 8 is the answer. That is answer. Now write the formula here. What's the formula? Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a is the formula. By using these two formula, we get that. This is easy method. The same problem by using another method also, but this is easy method for you. Listen here. Example 4.16 important 5 mark question. The previous question sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. Previous question. in between sin 60 also given. Parts may be changed. What is the answer? 3 by 16. Now start with the LHS. Once again, the sin 20. Am I right? Here, listen here. This is LHS. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80. Once again, you write the answer. Sin 20 the same thing. Sin 40 is the same thing. In sum, sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. In the sin it is the same thing. The root 3 is constant taken outside. 1 by root 2 in root 3 by 2 into sin 20. The 40 can be 60 minus 20. The 80 gives sin 60%. Am I right? The remains the front root 3 by 2 into sin 20 the same thing. These are sin minus b, sin minus b. The formula for this sin square 60 minus sin square 20. Again root 3 by 2 into sin 20, root 3 by 1 square minus sin square 20. Again root 3 by 2 into sin 20 square. Now the LCM root 3 by 2 into sin 20 into 3 minus 4 sin square 20 by 4. 1 by 4 is common time side. Already what is there? Root 3 by 2 is there. 1 by 4. Multiply sin 20. Now 1 by root 3 by 2 into this one is what? Root 3 by 8. The root 3 by 8. Root 3 by 8. Am I right? Multiply root 3 into 3 by 16. Can you say this? Out of this. The previous one same problem. But extra sin 20 is there. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Multiply, we get the 3 by 16. The part of the same. Previous part only, but somewhat some extra is given. That's why I put the value for sin 60. That's all.